Hi guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Halo Inc. and today I'm showing you how to handle proof-approved business cards in the graphic design department. As you can see in Corbridge here, we have a order that is proof-approved. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and find the folder on the farm. So CB orders, it's 8227 and we are looking at product 3 here. So we're just going to go ahead and just click there once, and I'm going to copy this name because we're going to need this once we have Illustrator open. We're just going to right click and open it in Illustrator. So here it is. You can see that we have a bleed already on here, and you can tell by turning your guides off with Control semicolon. You can see that the red mark is the bleed. You could also see it up here in document setup. We have the correct bleed of 0.125 inches. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to do Control A to select all, then we're going to do a Control Shift O to outline all the fonts. Next we're going to just go to our artboards, and we're going to paste in the file name here for the artboard. And the reason we do it now is because with the 2 artboards and revisions, you'd have to go in and change the revision every single time on that, and we proof it out as a single PDF, so it's not really necessary. So what we also need to look for is how many of these are being printed, and that is 500 business cards. Being a print file, we're going to go in here and add an underscore just after the revision and do uppercase P-500, and that tells us that we're printing 500. So we're going to do Control A, Control C to copy, paste in artboard 2, and we're just going to change S1 to S2 for side 2. That way we have both of our sides in there. Now we're good to export, so we're going to do a Control-Alt-E to export for screens. Make sure that we have our bleed selected, make sure that we have both artboards, and we're just going to go ahead and click on the folder here to change it from work files to production files under that 8227. Select folder, export artboard. Now we have print files that pop up in here, product 3. And the next step is to go to our email here, and we're just going to create a new email, send it to vended at Halo Inc., which pops up as prep to vend, and we're just going to reference the order number, which is 8227, product 3. We're just going to say prepped to vend, and we'll go ahead and we'll copy that, and we'll shoot off that email. We'll go back over to the order here, and we're going to put this in design and sales, and we're going to do today's date in military time, so 2022 0301, paste in prep to vend, add the note, and now since these are a specialty card, they will be vended, and that is how we handle proof approved business cards. Thanks for watching.